For Dallas with Esa Lindell. It is the usual cast of characters, the gourd line with Goodrow and Coleman. Goodrow with 20 hits to lead the series in just 2 games. And this one banked back around. The defense of Shattenkirk and McDonough. Pitched back along by Coleman. Brushed back further by Goodrow. And then dropped on for the play by Sagan. Lobbed on, but grabbed off by Gourd. Turned back on to Coleman. And then it is Lindell.
Radulov with a big hit on Kucherov, and what a shift for that line for the Dallas Stars.
Oh, and a giveaway here. It's brought in by Kucherov. He scores! Kucherov!
Heiskanen right here on his forehand, tries to go to his backhand and loses his footing, and when he does that, he puts it right on Kucherov's tape, and what a shot. Low blocker, above the pad, the pressure by Palat creates the turnover, and Kucherov, who is fantastic and
wanted to play it on through for Ben, but it's collared by the Lightning and sent back ahead, and escaping back up the wing of Stamkos. He scores! My goodness, right out of a storybook, and it's 2-0.
Point that Sekera read it and was able to clear the zone.
Brought back ahead now, and a shot is turned aside by Vasilevsky from Rope hands. And here's Hint, short-handed, another shot, they score! A short-handed goal by Dickinson, and it's 2-1.
What an effort here by Rope Hintz. He outbattles Kucherov and Point, and then Dickinson short side. And talking about another goaltender off his angle here, Bush. Lots of room on the short side.
If indeed it's injury related, that would be a big blow to the Tampa Bay Lightning forward group right now, with only now 11 forwards and maybe 6 defensemen.
Here is a wrist shot, score! It is Victor Hedman, and it is 3-1.
The play by Hintz, maybe Cirelli, and then Victor Hedman fires back the other way and just blows it right by Anton Hudobin. Yeah, a little bit of help there, but the extra effort from Cirelli and Hedman, understanding that puck was below the goal line.
Pavelski able to nudge it on, trying to reach it was Klingberg. No luck. Back the other way, walked on by Kucherov. Kucherov got it across. Oh, and a shot, score by Point, and it's 4-1.
You got to make sure. Turnover. Look at all the players going off the ice. It's a 3-on-1. Kucherov to Point. Short side, and he buries it. What a pass by Kucherov, and a great release by Braden Point.
And never mind, Klingberg's the D-man that's way ahead in the rush, and he was the one that was caught behind Lindell all by himself. A beautiful feed there by Kucherov around Lindell.
Back to Shattenkirk again. Along and circling with it is Kucherov. Got it to Shattenkirk. Shattenkirk fed one in front and hopped off Lindell's skate. A scramble, they score! Out of a net mouth scramble and Palat, and it's 5-1.
Oh, a dominant shift by the top line of Tampa Bay, and a long shift for the Dallas defenseman. Not able to recover, goes off of Klingberg's skate off the pad of Hudobin, and Lindell not able to get the stick of Palat as the onslaught continues for Tampa Bay here in the second period.
Pretty darn good chance to be in games and to play different ways, right? You just can't play one way. You just can't throw the ball down the plate with a fastball. You got to be able to change it up every once in a while.
Forehand shot by Heiskanen, and a scramble there, and it's in. The Stars have cashed in.
The Dallas Stars able to put it home here. Good job on the wall to win the battle. Pavelski gets his puck across, and this initial shot goes behind Vasilevsky, bounces around, and you can see Hedman not able to corral it. Heiskanen gets it to the net. I think it's going to be Heiskanen's goal. I don't know if Dickinson touches it. See if he does right here. Hard to tell with that one, but an unfortunate bounce for the Tampa Bay goaltenders that rode up his back.
You can only lose one game at a time. Forehander by Gurianov is spiked up high by Vasilevsky. And so the wounds will be licked. And a appropriate preparation made for Friday night by Dallas. And more confidence gained tonight by the Tampa Bay Lightning as they have defeated the Dallas Stars 5-2, inspired by the return of their captain. They have taken a lead in the series, 2-1.